So, hi guys. Mag-research tayo kung totoo ba ang, ayan, Milolo. Milolo app. So, ayan, ang sagot. You can earn small income in the Milolo app by doing simple tasks inside the app. But remember, the earnings are very small, usually only a few pesos, and it is not a full-time income. So, ito lang daw ang gagawin. Watch short dramas or videos, daily check-in, complete tasks, invite friends, convert coins to money. Nice. Kaso 10,000 coins, 1 peso lang. So earnings are very small sometimes. Ayan. Watch dramas for fun, earn a few pesos on the side. Yun lang guys. So, let's try to install. So, ito yata yun guys, ito. Milolo short dramas. Ganon. So, first time ko mag-install nito. Tingnan natin kung legit. Legit ba talaga to guys. So, first time ko gagamit ng Milolo app. 100% na installing guys. Ooh, what's this? Ayan, open tayo dito guys. What's the next step? Ayan pala yung nakikita guys, no? Tapos, anong gagawin ko? Allow? Saan ako? Profile? Login. May login siya guys, oh. Ano palang login? Select your age to continue on Milolo. 35 to 39 ako. Continue. Choose an account daw guys. Ito. Tapos, yun lang ba? What's your gender? Female. Submit. Automatic ba guys yung user ganyan? And then, nasaan na yung sinasabi nila guys? Saan nilalagay yung Gcash? Ano to? My account? Ito, reward. Okay. You'll get, check in today, you'll get 3,000. So pag mag-check in ako, ganun. Ayan na lang mag-check in guys. So, ito daw. Add payment method. Select a withdrawal. Sure. Are you 18 years age or older? Yes. Tagal pala guys, oh. Loading. Bakit ganito? Kaya niya ng ano guys. Saka na lang guys, ibalik lang tayo dyan. No? So, mamaya na lang yan guys. So, dito tayo sa check-in yata. 7 dateable new user benefits. Earn up to 160,000 coins. New user 7 days check-in. Check-in muna. Tapos, active daw. Ito. Check-in tayo. New user 7 days check-in. Today, 6,000. Wow. Then, daily 5 minutes watching bonus in 7 days. Sige, mag-watch tayo guys. Pwede rin mag-invite. 160 daw. Yung ma-earn. Sige, dito tayo mag-try ng check-in guys. Today, 6,000 lang. Okay. Ano pa to guys? Discover. Add to your home screen for quick access. Hindi ba ito makaka-disturb guys? Sige, try natin. Next. Then, mag-watch na ako guys. Ano ba ito? Try natin. So, manonood na tayo guys. Hello guys.